Hello everyone. In this demo, we are showing how we have leveraged Looker's Embed Explore capability as a data visualizer. And this picture gives an overall view of the data visualizer solution. So here we have a project called GCP Project One, which has a huge volume of multi-tenant application data. And this data resides in a BigQuery, and this is used for the analytics and visualization purpose. So the requirement is the customer wants to access their own data in a timely and accurate manner. So a separate project called the GCP Project 2 is created, which has the segregated and isolated data of each customer through BigQuery's authorized viewability. And this allows to segregate the data at the customer level. Although the data is segregated, the access to the BigQuery cannot be given to the each customer for the security reason. So to overcome this, we have used the Looker Explore feature to map this customer specific authorized view and embed it into the web application. And this helps the customer to access and visualize their own data in a secured manner. Now let's see the demo of this data visualizer. So first I'll show this
Okay.
backend side. Yeah. Um, so this TVC stage BigQuery BQ view, this is the GCP project 2 from our previous sequence diagram. And this has the authorized view called the view RL, which is representing the segregated data from the GCP project 1. And this act as a backend for our Looker. So on the Looker side, actually, we have created we connected to that GCP project 2 using a service account, and a connection called the TVC underscore view underscore test underscore BQ is created for that purpose, which connects to this particular project and the particular dataset underscore RL. And now, as mentioned in that diagram, an explore called the data visualizer is created, and this is the corresponding model file for that. And an SSO URL is generated for this data visualizer explore to embed that into the web application. And for that, to create that embed SSO URL, we have used this standalone web application. And this URL, this embed URL is finally used into our web application. And finally, we embed this into the web application using the iframe. And now let's go to our web application. And this is the view of the embedded data visualizer. Using this visualizer, the customer can access their own data and able to visualize it. So now I'll add few columns from this BigQuery authorized view. And if
Sorry to interrupt, Nikhila.
Yes,
I just have one doubt. So that is, I could see a lot of auth view definitions here. So I just want to know what is the difference between normal table view versus the authorized view that you try to showcase here.
Yeah, you want a difference between auth view and table view?
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
table view
yeah,
has access. Yeah, the table view actually has access to all the data set, whereas the auth view has access only to the permitted data set, the restricted data sets.
Okay, yeah.
And using this, the customer can view their own set of data, and using that, they can build their own visualization also here. So this is the benefits of the data visualizer.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Any other questions, Siju?
Yeah. So yeah, so we are trying to embed the Looker Explorer, right? But I just seen on top of that Explorer, right? There is a gear icon, right? I have seen a lot of options was there, like save as a look and save as a dashboard options. So after embedding, also, are we able to see the same options there, or it's limited one?
No. After embedding, we'll see only the limited options here. There won't be any save as look or save into dashboard. All those options are not available in this gear icon. Only we see this download and all these things.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So and Looker supports the custom visualization and all, right?
Yeah.
So whatever the custom visualization which is added in the Looker environment is also visible here. Like the customer
Yeah,
can
yeah.
try to.
Yes. Here in our case, this all this gauge and gauge multiple or the custom visualization, still we are able to see this. If we have the respective measures and dimensions, then we can enable all those all the visualizations are available.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Anything else, Sujit?
Yeah, that's all from my side. You can
Yeah,
proceed.
yeah. Thanks, Sujit.